Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Best Top 5 All-Natural Cleaning Tips. We know how hard it is to stay on top of chores, and that's why we've compiled this list of top 7 best all-natural cleaning tips and hacks. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Remove scratches on your dishes with baking soda. A slip of the knife here, an overzealous fork there, and suddenly you've got a stack of unsightly scratched plates in your kitchen. Fortunately, it's easy to make your plates look brand new again with some baking soda. Simply make a paste of baking soda and water, buff it into the scratches, and in no time, your dishes will look as good as new. Tip number 2. Freshen up your mattress with baking soda, too. With any luck, by the time you reach adulthood, you're washing your pillows and pillowcases on a semi-regular basis. However, most of us, even in our 30s and 40s, don't do much in the way of cleaning our mattresses. But there's an easy way to limit the bacterial contamination and allergy-provoking dust on your bed. At least once a month, just vacuum your mattress and apply an ample sprinkling of baking soda to it. Let the baking soda sit for a few hours to absorb any odors, vacuum again, and voila! A cleaner, less gross place to sleep. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Tip number 3. Freshen up your garbage disposal with lemons. With all the junk we throw into our garbage disposals, it's no wonder they're a veritable petri dish, with the nasty odors to prove it. Thankfully, making them a whole lot cleaner is easy. Simply squeeze some lemons into your drain, and as your disposal gobbles up those rinds, it will start to smell fresh and fabulous. Tip number 4. Clean your cutting boards with lemons too. While most plastic cutting boards can be popped into the dishwasher, wooden ones are a different animal entirely. Luckily, you can get out those difficult stains in your wooden boards by rubbing them with some lemon and salt. All you have to do is sprinkle some kosher salt on your cutting board, use half a lemon to rub it in, and let the mixture sit for a few minutes. Then, give the board a rinse with clean water, and it should be virtually spotless. And tip number 5. Remove carpet stains with vinegar and steam iron. Carpet stains are all too common, especially in households with lots of little ones. Luckily, all you need is some vinegar, some water, and steam iron in order to eliminate any unsightly spots. Just mix vinegar and water in a 1:3 ratio, apply it to the stain, and then cover the stain with a wet cloth before steaming it for 30 seconds or so. This should have your carpet looking good as new in mere minutes. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out the 4 awesome tips and tricks for a safer home clean. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with EcoBravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.